Hey guys, it's late, shop's closed. Me and Darren are staying late, he's working on his truck. I decided to tear down the motor on the from the Tahoe, the L83 that was making noise. So we can finally figure out what happened to it. So I'll just do a little time lapse or something. We'll have Catherine do it, and we'll show y'all what happened. All right, so checked all 16 lifters. They all seem okay. It still has the DOD lifters on it. Like I said, this engine was bone stock. I never did anything to it. I never even corrected the valve covers until it started making noise. So all the DOD lifters look okay. All the regular lifters look okay. So I guess I'm gonna pull the front cover, pull the oil pan, see start pulling pistons, and see if I got a broken ring ring. All right, we're gonna start tearing this thing down a little bit more. I just pulled the crank bolt, and I'm about to pull the balancer in the front cover. Then I'm gonna flip it, and we'll do the oil pan, and then we'll start pulling the rack. Still going. Pull the oil pump, and then start pulling the rods. Bearing. Looks pretty nice. Piston. Not broken. Ring lines look okay. Rings are all turning. That's a little beat up. There you go. Looks good. Coating on pistons looks beat up, but that might just be a mileage thing. No broken ones on this either. Third piston out. It does have some pretty good carbon buildup between the rings, between the top ring and the bottom, or the top and the second ring. You guys a closer look at everything. I don't see anything major. There's a little line right there. Can't really throw the nail. A little bit of dust and dirt, but that was kind of not very clean taking it apart. Dirty. You got a lot of carbon buildup, but all the rings are good. Let's see. looks like. So, I'm wondering if the only thing I did see when I was taking it apart, it's one of these, one of the fire rings on the injectors had gone out of the groove and it was like pushed up against itself. And my buddy Josh said that's probably what it was before he even knew that was the issue. So I don't know. I'll have to ask around, see if I can find anything else. Otherwise, I might throw this bitch back together and put it in the dually. Maybe just put a little cam in it. I got a spare 6-speed too. Be an easy enough swap. So, well, stay tuned. In case y'all wanted to see the lifters, they're all rolling good. None of them really are showing any major wear. And the top halves are collapsed. They're all looking pretty good. So, crazy I know, but that's the case.